Hi friends, welcome back to Orbital Adventures, where science becomes fun stories you can feel and remember. What if your body could heal itself with a little help from science? Today, scientists are growing artificial tissues, using real human cells instead of machines. What are artificial organs? Artificial organs are man-made devices or lab-grown tissues that replace or support damaged organs in the body. Some are mechanical, like a dialysis machine that does the job of a kidney. Others are biological, made using bioengineering, a field that combines biology, engineering, and medicine. How does it work? Bioengineers can take a small sample of a person's own cells, place them on a 3D scaffold, and grow them into working tissues. This process mimics how organs develop in the body, but it happens in a lab. These lab-grown organs can be used for transplants, drug testing, or to study diseases safely. Skin and bladders have already been successfully bioengineered and implanted in patients. Scientists have created miniature livers, lungs, and even beating heart tissue in the lab. Artificial pancreas systems now help people with type 1 diabetes manage blood sugar levels more effectively. Why it matters? Over 100,000 people in the US alone are on the waiting list for organ transplants. Many will wait months or years, and some won't survive the wait. Bioengineered organs could one day make this waiting list a thing of the past. Artificial organs are no longer science fiction. They are real and they are growing, cell by cell, in labs around the world. Thanks for watching. At Orbital Adventures, we turn curiosity into stories. Scan the QR code to explore our fun kids' books and spark a love for learning. Thank you.